Drop it. Ito ang trip ko.
Yeah!
Okay na yan!
One, two! What's up, Aurora Music Festival? Hello po! Before anything else, syempre magpapakilala po muna kami. One, two! Mabuhay! Hello, Aurora! Ako po si Akira!
What's up, Aurora? My name is Mickey.
Woo! Hi guys, ako si Jello. Hello, Aurora. I'm Nate.
Hello po, ako naman po si JL.
Yes, and we are BGYO! Kamusta po kayong lahat?
Okay lang po kayo?
Okay lang po ba kayo? Kasi kanina habang nag-rehearse kami, meron yung pumapasok. So sana po, okay yung pakiramdam nyo. And kung nauuhaw po kayo, uminom lang kayo, stay hydrated. And if meron po kayo nararamdaman, magsabi lang po kayo or lumapit po kayo sa pinakamalapit na medic station. Pero sobrang masaya po kami dahil nandito kami ngayon sa harapan ninyo. Let's go!
Woo! Yes, tama, Aki. And gusto lang namin share sa inyo na kanina pa lang sa backstage actually, kabado na kami. Pero nung pineform na namin yung first segment namin, na-release na lahat at sobrang sarap sa pakiramdam na makita kayong lahat na nandito. Kaya deserve nyo mag-enjoy. Alam ko sobrang init at sobrang aga nyo pumunta dito. Pero for sure mapapalitan nyo ng mga masasayang performances.
Tama yan. Thank you so much sa mga aces na nandito. And to everybody, thank you for coming out tonight and sharing your energy with us.
And of course, we want to say thank you to Aurora Music Festival for making this happen.
Correct. And so syempre, it feels so amazing na makapag-perform sa ganitong klaseng crowd. We're so grateful para sa inyong lahat. Yung kanina pa nandito kahit sobrang initan. Maraming salamat. And we're so happy na makapag-perform kami sa karamihan ng mga bagong songs namin from our latest EP called BGYO. So check it out.
So yeah, since madaming tao ngayon, sobrang dami as in, gusto namin kayo isama sa aming TikTok video. So meron po kasi kami ngayong dance challenge sa TikTok ngayon. Ang tawag dito ay ang Divine Dance Challenge. And since ang dami natin yan, we want you guys to be part of it. So yeah,
yes, kaya
go do it.
Muna natin yung mga TPM. TPM, samahan nyo kami. Ayan, let's go. Dito.
Okay. Ito na.
So guys,
Party lang tayo.
Party, pwede nyo itaas yung kamay nyo. Basta kasama kayo lahat dito. Let's go.
Okay. Ready?
Alright, pwesto tayo guys, let's go!
Let's go! 6 and 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yes,
thank you so much.
Thank you, TPM.
Oh yeah, that was our Divine TikTok challenge. If you guys want, if you guys have time, make sure to tag us pag gagawin yan sa TikTok at BGY_PH. And of course, don't forget to use the hashtag
BGYO_DivineDC.
Yung. Pero before we move on, eto na, meron pa akong tanong. Sino dito yung may mga kasamang partner sa buhay nila?
Ay, yun!
Dami nagsiya.
Asan po yung partner nyo?
Asan yung partner mo?
Ay, ayun.
Asan?
Nagtatago siya.
Nahihiya.
Nahihiya.
Bakit ka nahihiya?
Pero alam mo, Aki, yung mga ganitong klaseng music festival, perfect na perfect talaga to sa mga couples.
Totoo.
So, perfect na timing to para mag-date kayo. Kasi alam niyo, ang sarap manood ng mga sikat na artist na perform.
Kasi enjoy mo lang yung music.
Yeah, enjoy mo lang yung music, tapos may pagkain kayo, gano'n.
Tapos mamaya, holding hands, ganun.
Pero, yun nga, yung mga mag-jowa, ayan, yung susunod naman, sino dito yung mga nasa ligawan stage pa lang? Ayaw umamin, oh! Sino naman dito yung kunwari best friend, pero yung totoo, meron nagkakadevelop na pala, pero nahihiya lang sa isa't isa. Ay!
Ate daw.
Hoy, madami nagre-react.
Mga ganyan eh. Mga tinatago.
Bakit ba natutorpe pa kayo? Eh, halata na naman.
Alam niyo, feeling ko, etong time na to yung pwede kayong umamin na talaga.
Tama, Aki. Kasi malay mo, di ba? Huli na ang lahat, kaya kung ngayon na yung time, di ba? Para sabihin.
Totoo. Parang yung next song natin. Kasi yung next song po namin, it talks about dreams. Pero when you say dreams, hindi lang naman siya yung yung parang gusto mong makamit sa buhay. Dreams can also be someone. Someone that is so special na parang unrealistic na yung nararamdaman.
Ay!
Alam mo yung parang panaginip. Tapos yung kapag nakuha mo na yung matamis niyang oo, yung parang ang nanalo sa loto.
So guys, love is in the air talaga. And yung mga moments na ganito yung tipong sobrang special sa amin, yung parang nananaginip kami na hindi na namin gusto mag-isay. Let's switch it up a little bit. Nadali namin kayo sa panaginip na. Magdilat ng mata, wala ka na pala.
crazy. Can't figure it out. I can't figure it out. Used to think that love was crazy. Getting out was so done playing. But I'm playing it now. Yeah, I'm playing it now. It's you. And there's nobody I would rather choose. Cause everything is right when I'm with you. You light my fire. You blow my mind. My one desire. You keep me satisfied. All the love you give me, baby. Goddamn, it feels so amazing. I can't live without. I can't live without her. I used to think it was so crazy. The idea that love could save me. But I figured it out. Yeah, I figured it out. It's you. And that's nobody I would rather choose. I used to believe in lies, so now I know the truth. You light my fire. Hey, you blow my mind. My one desire. You keep me satisfied. Whoa, my fire. You light me up. You light me up. You light me up. My fire. You light me up. 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 You light me up, no baby. You light my fire.
Subscribe now. Click here.